Edmodo. What do I use to collaborate with my staff? When a great lesson plan is developed, where can I share it? What should I use to survey my staff or assess my students? The answer is Edmodo. You will first need to sign up in Edmodo. You will go to either, if you're a teacher or a student, you will just click the button. Once you have logged in for the first time, you will use your username and password to begin. Next, you will need to create a group. You will click on the left-hand column beside where it says Groups. You will now create a group. You will first type in a group name. Then you will select the grade or a group of grades. And then you will select your subject area. And then you will click Create. Once you have done this, you will receive a group code, as you can see here in the middle of the screen. This is what you need to send to your students or put on the board for your students to write, and whenever they log in as a student, they will type in this code and it will link them to your class. Once all the kids have joined, you may lock the group to make it secure and it will not be public. After this, you can share your folders, create assignments, and have your classroom discussing and collaborating within this safe and closed environment. Now that you've set up your classroom with students, you're now able to use some of the features that Edmodo offers to you as a teacher. The first thing you can do is set up an assignment. You can click on the middle of the page here. You will then enter the assignment title. You can do a description. You can place a due date. You can attach a file, a link, and then you can send it to all of your group or just certain group members. You can also send it now, or you can schedule a time to send it later on after the class is over or in the morning. So it offers you many different options. You then can create a quiz inside of Edmodo. You can choose multiple choice plus other options. You can also load quizzes and questions from other sources. Other options include true, false, short answer, fill in the blank, and matching style questions. This tutorial was to help you learn how to begin with Edmodo, how to use some of the basic features, and there are many benefits of using Edmodo in your classroom. One, being a closed group, you do not have to worry about other people coming into the group and seeing what your class is doing. It gives you a safe environment. Also, the teacher has admin privileges, so if any student posts something that's inappropriate or you want to, you can monitor all their posts. Communication with students is effortless. You can send it to the whole class or individual students very easily. Communication with the staff, if you use it as a staff collaboration, is also very easy, and it helps you manage your time efficiently. One of the greatest features of Edmodo is it's very similar to Facebook. Many of us, teachers and students, are used to Facebook and can navigate it very easily because of that. And it's also a great platform for bell ringer assessments. The first 5 minutes of class when you're trying to get started and get on task, the kids can become accustomed with this, and they can go right to it, and you can get started on a daily manner in also a very efficient manner.